Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to search files using size or Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To search file using size, open File Explorer. I will show you two methods. First one is in search type asterisk and you will find medium, small and teeny. Click on size teeny. It will show you very little size. And now if you select small, it will show you 16 KB to 1 MB files. Again, if you select medium, it will show you 1 MB to 128 MB files. All files are within 1 MB to 128 MB. And again, if you click on large, it will show you 128 MB to 1 GB files. Now I am going to show you another way. Just insert type asterisk and here you will find size parameter. Click on here and the same way you can select size from here. You will find large files here. Another way, go to search, just type size, clone, then you will find sizes. You can search huge file 1 GB to 4 GB size file. Select it. I have no files 1 GB to 4 GB size. I am selecting large. Large files are showing here. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.